Welcome to our channel. If you want to remove Google account from Chrome, follow these step-by-step instructions to ensure the process is completed successfully. Step 1. Open your device and navigate to the relevant app or settings menu. Make sure you have a stable internet connection before proceeding. Step 2. Locate the specific section or feature you need to access. This might be in the settings menu, account options, or within the main interface of the application. Step 3. Look for the option related to your task. It may be labeled with clear text or represented by an icon. Tap or click on it to proceed to the next screen. Step 4. Review any information or warnings displayed on the screen. Make sure you understand what will happen when you complete this action. Step 5. Follow the on-screen prompts carefully. You may need to confirm your choice, enter a password, or provide additional information to complete the process. Step 6. Once you've confirmed all the required steps, the action will be processed. Wait for the confirmation message to appear on your screen. Step 7. Verify that the changes have been successfully applied by checking the relevant section again. This ensures everything has been completed as intended. Step 8. If you encounter any issues during the process, check the app's help section or support page for additional guidance and troubleshooting steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.